I'm going to show you how to take apart a wireless Xbox 360 controller today. What you're going to need is a T8 Torx security bit wrench, and mine's right here. And, okay, so you want to flip it over, take the battery pack out, and there's going to be 7 screws right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's going to be like a little label right here. You're going to want to peel it off, and there's going to be a screw under it. So I'm going to start by taking the screws out. Alright, so now that we have all the screws taken out, you want to start by just pulling off the back. It'll just come off like that. Okay. The front too. Forgot I have LEDs wired in here. Just want to pull it off. Pull it out right there. Pull this out. This thing comes off. Pull it apart. Then under here's all the buttons. You just take those out like that. And this comes off too. And there's going to be 2 screws in there. You want to get a really small screwdriver. This one should work. It's going to be a Phillips head screwdriver. Small one. Pretty small. Alright. Just one more. Then there's 2 clips in here. Just push it out, and the D-pad comes out, and that just comes out like that. And you have everything out of the front plate. Okay, and then right here, the joysticks just pop out like that. And these rumble motors, you can just pull them out. Okay, this you can just pull out. I have LEDs glued in here, so it's not going to come out. But that's how you take apart a wireless Xbox 360 controller.